Going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. We are in the kitchen, so you know what that means. That means we're doing something crazy. We're making some messes. You already know. Galoque. Anyways, guys, let me show you what I'm working with. So here we have it, the JDM stainless steel for the MR2. Now, there's not a lot of information on how to install them. Of course, if you have a JDM car from Japan, then the plastic sills, they're much skinnier, so the stainless one will just fit on top. And what people do is that they buy the plastic sill from Japan, and then usually they just kind of remove this portion right here. They'll remove this portion right here, and then they'll just hot glue it to the other side, because as you guys know, this is the right side or left side, whatever, you know. Oh, it's a whole process. You got to do hot glue. I don't know, but I don't have a JDM car. But for my USDM guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you the process. Now, if you come here and you see, man, you have a lot of space. So guess what, guys? All that has to be removed. All that black plastic trim has to be removed. Now, I don't know what you got, but I'm going to use a Dremel and go from there. And also, you do have to cut a little bit on the bottom. So, let me show you where you got to cut. So, you got to cut pretty much. Turn this thing around. You got to cut pretty much this whole lip. There's like a lip right there. That lip, you got to cut. That whole thing has to come off. And here, on the bottom, all you're going to do is just trim it very, very lightly. Just trim it. And that's pretty much it. It's a lot of cutting. Now, this is what I'm doing. I don't know if this is the correct way. I already started doing, as you guys can see, it's coming along. And let me show you what I got. Let's go. So, here is what I got. Here's the mess I have done. I'm using a Dremel. And, oh yeah, getting too old. I recommend, whenever you're doing this, tape the black portion of the plastic trim, just so you don't scuff it. So, remember when I said the trim? You have to remove that trim. That lip has to come off automatically. There's no buts, no whats. This is the lip, as you guys can see. This is the lip, and that's what I removed. Let me turn it around so you guys can have an idea. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm removing all this black trim here, all this lip, and then I just push it down like pop, 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 and it goes in. It goes in and it's good. Now, don't cut too much. If you cut too much, you're pretty much fucked. So that's why I have it with the stainless steel right now. You see, it doesn't come off. It's good. It's good, guys. It's good. So I'm using the stainless steel as a I guess you could say as a guide. So now I just gotta continue cutting here. Let me show you how I do it. And turn this bad boy on. And now, guys, don't hit the stainless steel with the Dremel. Be careful. Look what I did. I scratched it right there. So be very careful. I'm just gonna show you real quick what I'm doing. I only got one hand. So, guys, I'm gonna do a time lapse. Super easy, but very time consuming and very, very messy. On another note, let's continue. You know what? I'm just gonna call it quits because I gotta clean, and I'll continue this tomorrow with the time lapse. So you might see me with a different clothes. Today's Saturday, and it's 3:40 a.m. and we gotta Dale, boys, welcome back. We're back at it again. I'm sorry for last take. I was a little, a little crazy here and there. but just a quick rundown on how to install the door sills. Remember guys, you have little notches on the bottom that would tell you, you see these little notches? They actually tell you this is the portion that goes aligned. That hurt me. Ay, 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 ay. Sorry guys, sorry, ay, 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 ay. Oh, you're okay. Sorry guys. But they actually match up with these notches that let you know that goes in the bottom, as you guys can see. But when you align them, they don't actually align. So for example, if I align them here, oops, you see they are well aligned there. There's none in the middle, but when you come here on the other side, you see it's not aligned. But it's okay, you know, it is what it is. But again, it doesn't matter. From the bottom portion, this is gonna be the bottom portion. You wanna kind of Dremel that lip, but not much, guys. Don't go crazy. It's just a little tiny bit, just so that the bottom portion here could grab. And then if you come here, let me turn the camera around. That whole black portion, that whole lip has to come off. So easiest way, once you align the bottom, the first bottom, you want to make a line on this end, make a line on this end. Just use the marker, made my lines, and then I started cutting. Now you do have to cut a lot, guys. It is what it is. But yeah guys, let's go to the kitchen and continue with the cutting and go from there.
Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you.
Boys, we only got this little bit. I'm gonna do it at normal speed and show you guys what I'm working with. I got it at I think that's like 15. Alright guys, we no more, no bueno. Let me go ahead and get a new one. Be right back. Now boys, this is how it should look once it's done. You might have edges that you have to straighten up, like over here. I have a little mountain here. I have to, you know, make sure that it's straight. But now that the lip is gone from the plastic sill, now all we have to do is flip it over. And I already started here the other day, but now all I have to do is just lower this down. You see the plastic sill right here? I just have to lower it down from here, from the back. Why? Because you want it a little skinnier so it could click. Because if you try to push it in right now, it's not gonna go in because it's just too thick. So all you have to do, you get the Dremel, you lower it down, get it, not too skinny, but not too fat. Pause. But yeah, just go ahead, get the Dremel. See, we go. Alright. I think I'm good here. And now I'm just gonna push it down in, and it should click. You see, it's going in. You see, and that's all you have to do until you reach the end. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's super simple. Don't get discouraged. Just be very careful whenever you're doing your cuts here and there. And yeah, I should be done with it in about 5 minutes. Let's go continue with the time lapse and go from there. And boys, it's done, guys. It's done. This is the final product. This is how it should look. Everything is good. If you come here, that's the excess that I cut. And here I actually did a better job because I kind of like I don't know how I did that. It's kind of a wavy. So I could probably just do something like that over here, just so it could just be even. But yeah, guys, it's done. It's done. Now, for those that want to go the extra mile, and I suggest you doing this, this is a must. The reason being is because if you don't, then this is gonna get scuffed up. 100%. The door is gonna scuff it up, and it might look nice once you remove it, once you remove the paper. And some of you might not even remove the paper, but I highly recommend you getting this. You get it from Amazon for like 10 bucks, 15 bucks, I'm not sure, or eBay. This is 3M Clear Broad Paint Surface Protection, and it's like this clear stuff, but much better. So I highly suggest you guys doing it, just because it's gonna prevent your new door sill getting scuffed up and whatnot. On another note, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. That being said, until next time, dale.